Hello viewers, welcome to Sex Zone. You are watching Shalik Pakhi. Is a bird in Bangladesh. In Bangla named called Shalik. If you are watching perfectly, I don't know. I'm trying to give you a perfect shot. Here it is. Here it is. I hope you all are well and the plane is going. I hope your plane is going in Bangladesh here. It's in Dhaka city. The bird is gone. Let's you see the whole. This is a city. It's in construction, running construction. It's been in the wires. Back side it will be under the ground. It will be safety for people. Here is a crow gone. Here will be an express highway. That's why here is working many workers from government. And there is some rickshaws. If you have didn't seen rickshaw, well, you can see the rickshaw production. It's a pedal rickshaw. I hope you guys will like it. CNG. CNG means it runs with CNG and it's also a rental service type. Here you can see 3 seats for passenger and 1 driver. It's like a bike, you can think. Here is a road. This is a farm gate in Dhaka. The city is very beautiful. And here this is the sky. Awesome sky. The road was perfect, but now it's working for development. And I will see you. I want to show you the metro rail work in Bangladesh. Let you know where the metro rail work is in Bangladesh. Sorry for my English mistakes. I'm extremely sorry. There it is. You are watching. There is a long bridge flyover. It's the road of metro rail. It's Farmgate City, Dhaka City in Farmgate. If you can see here, there are many people in there under the bridge. It's called Anand Cinema Hall. Here is a bus stand. And here is another bus stand. There is a red overbridge and under there is a bus stand. The road. Here are many people working, and this is a school come college. This campus is very big and is full of green tree. You can see there is a church, and you can see there is also trees, and there is a Christian missionary school, and it's also full of trees. And you can see it's like they are called সবুজ শস্য শ্যামলা আমাদের এই বাংলাদেশ. There are many trees and development is increasing day by day. You can see them too much building of the the popularity of Bangladesh is too high. In every square feet, people lives like 1,015, more than 1,015. This is some offices in Farmgate, Dhaka. Farmgate is a place of Dhaka city. Dhaka city is too much big. You are watching so far. This is total Dhaka city. I want to show you সংসদ Bhavan. Here is a design full. My camera is too much dirty. I will buy a new camera very few time, in a very short time. I hope you guys will like it. There are highest building in Bangladesh, highest building like 12 floor, 13 floor, 10 floor, like this, 10 to 15 floor maximum on average. Maximum here is around 18 floors or 20 floors. I don't know perfect. I am showing you some cities, some offices. I hope you guys will like it. If you guys like it, please like our video. Please press the like button of video. And obviously, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel. I hope I will make more good videos for you guys, which can express a best of Bangladesh and best size pros and cons of Bangladesh. I will show you in this channel. I am mainly to expose the Bangladesh city's good sides and bad sides. Sorry for my language. Don't judge like that. You are hearing a sound. This is in Bangladesh. This is called Ajan. This is the Muslim religious thing. You can see there are many buildings, many. I am giving you 8x zoom. The whole world is so beautiful in Bangladesh. You guys can visit. Many visitors visit Bangladesh. Many vloggers visit Bangladesh. Though this is Eid al-Fitr period, Eid al-Adha period. That's why many people have gone to their hometown. So the Dhaka city area, that's why the road is too much free. Otherwise, in this area lives many people, huge number of people live here. There you can see truck parking. There are many trucks, if you can see, guys. And this orange, they are working for an express highway on this road. From the road, 70 feet upper, there will be an express highway. It will connect Dhaka city to Dhaka city, in Dhaka city. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. There are many rickshaws, pupils, delivery men, cars. If you can see, there is a person who is selling. This is called Muri. Muri bikri kore she. She sells Muri with egg, potato, and many kinds of masala. I hope you guys will like it. The city is too much beautiful. Please guys, if you like this video, please press the like button. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe this channel. I request you all to subscribe my channel and share this video to more people to express this Bangladesh, Dhaka city. So bye bye friends.